Hello everyone. Today we're just going to go over Bitcoin, see what Bitcoin is doing. But before we start that, if you need help trading, there will be a link in the description box below that allows you to get into the Telegram group. It's for free, 100% free. Join it and you can follow the trades there for free. But when everyone was calling for Bitcoin to go to the moon of 500,000, 200,000, the charts weren't saying that. For example, here's one that I posted on May 13th. Bitcoin was around 30,000. You can see at the very top, we were shorting it, and let's see how well it went. You can see that actually Bitcoin went down several percent, 3, 4, 5%, and then it started going sideways as far as TradingView tracked it. But you can see that it was heading back down. Bitcoin's not going to go up anytime soon, in my opinion. Here's another one where patterns don't lie. This is a clear triangle right here to the apex. It's either going to break out of before the apex or right at the apex, but it is going to head down because everything was pointing down, and you can see that that's exactly what happened. Didn't even make it to the apex. We went to maybe like 4 or 5 more days, broke out, and we're steadily heading back down. That's where we are right now. So if you just follow the charts and the patterns on the charts, that is where your bread and butter is. That's where you make the most money by watching it. Here's another example. Here's XTZ. It started pumping on us, and the indicators were telling us, no, this is not going to stay there. We targeted 9%, and you can see that we hit it. We almost caught the top. We were probably maybe like 0.5% away from the top of this. Went down there, hit it. We made 9.23. Doesn't sound like a lot, but we're 5xing it, so that's almost 50%, almost 50% profit on just one trade. And again, they're free if you join the Telegram group. With that said, let's go look at. Let's go back over here. We are in a short right now on Bitcoin. You can see this is where we took our position at 2552.7. You can see that we are in profit. We've only been in it for 45 minutes to an hour. Not very much. Might come back up and test our entry point, but everything is pointing down. So again, if you want to join the Telegram group, it is actually free. So here is the chart right now. We're on the 15-minute chart. That's what we trade on. Let's go to the day chart. You can zoom in on here. You can see that everything is pretty much consolidating right here. Which way is it going to go? I personally think it's going to go down. We have on the MACD, we have a shoulder, we have a head, and it looks like we're trying to form another shoulder before we break down. The next breakdown is probably going to be close to $10,000 to $15,000. That's most likely where the true bottom is, but only time can tell. You got to go day by day. We could pump up. We could pump up to 22,430. It's going to be a huge resistance because that's where it peaked at last time. If it does pump up there, that's going to fulfill the right shoulder on the MACD. The RSI is underneath, so it doesn't look good for Bitcoin. But this is where we're at right now. We are in a short. This marks the 0.5%. That is where we want to close below that and put that stop loss at. See, again, looks like it's going to pump up, touch our entry price, and you can get in if you haven't got in yet. But that's what Bitcoin is going to do. That's where I think Bitcoin is going to go. If you have any questions, join the Telegram. It's absolutely 100% for free, and I can teach you how to trade and how to take entries and stress-free trading. Other than that, I'll see you on the next video.